Most traders who blow their accounts don't do it because they can't read a chart. They do it because they enter too early, they hesitate too long, or they take trades that they know they shouldn't be taking. And here's what happens when they see a setup. They get excited, they enter the trade, and then within 2 minutes, sometimes less, they are already wondering whether or not they made a mistake. And the problem isn't your strategy. It's not checking before you enter the market. And that's exactly what this video is about. So one of the biggest problems that I see with traders who already have some experience is this. They know enough to be dangerous, but not enough to be confident when they're entering the trade. They can also read price action. They can also understand support and resistance. They also know what a trend looks like. All of that is amazing. But when it's time to pull the trigger on that buy or sell button, they freeze. And worse, sometimes people even enter without conviction, and then the second price moves against them, they panic. And it's not because they're bad traders, usually. It's usually because they don't have a simple filter for deciding whether a trade is even worth taking. So here's what happens. Every candle starts to feel very important, and every move starts to feel urgent, especially when you see it go up really fast and down really fast. And every trade becomes emotional. You're not trading setups anymore. You're reacting to the price movement. And sometimes you may enter because you're afraid of missing out. I know I've definitely felt that. And sometimes you hesitate because you're not sure if this trade is good enough, and maybe you skip trades that actually make sense, only to watch it work out perfectly without you. That cycle totally kills accounts. Not one bad trade, but dozens of bad trades taken without a clear reason. So really quick, if we haven't met yet, I'm LaKiesha. And last year I made over $100,000 from the markets while working full time. And now I help other traders do the same through the Profitable Traders Academy. If you're serious about making consistent profits and you want personalized guidance, then head over to LaKieshaTrades.com and schedule a free clarity call with one of my program advisors. We'll map out exactly what's holding you back and how to fix it. And right now, let me show you the framework that changed everything for me. Because what works isn't more strategies, it's better decision making before you even enter the trade. So how do we fix this? The solution isn't more indicators. Please stop. It is not more strategies. And it's definitely not watching charts all day hoping that something finally clicks. What you really need is a pre-trade framework, something that helps you slow down and evaluate trades before you hit that buy or sell button. Not during the trade, not after the trade, but before you press the button. And that's exactly what I'm going to walk you through right now. It's 3 simple checks that you run before entering any trade to make sure that it's actually worth taking. And this framework is what separates those traders who survive versus the ones who keep making the same mistakes over and over again. So the first thing to check before entering any trade is going to be the first P, and that's going to be perspective. So here's what it means. What is the market doing right now? Is it moving in one clear direction, or is it all over the place? Basically, is it going up, is it going down, or consolidating? You don't need to guess where it's going. You just need to look at what it's already doing. Think about it like swimming the ocean. If the current is going your way, you move easily. But if it's going against you, then you're fighting the entire way. And if the water is choppy, the smart move is just to stay out completely. And trading works exactly the same way. If you want to buy and the market keeps going down, then you're not really trading. You're basically just hoping that it turns around at this point. And if you want to sell and the market keeps going up, then you're fighting against the trend of the market. And if the market looks messy, it's going up, down, and doing that over and over again, then waiting is going to be the smarter move for you. I know it was for me. So perspective means looking at the market before you jump in. If it's not moving the way you need it to, don't force it, just wait. So the second thing to check is place. And price is always moving, but not every spot on the chart matters. So before you enter a trade, ask yourself, why here? What's so special about this price? So think about crossing a busy street. You don't just run across anywhere. You look for a crosswalk or a stoplight, basically a spot where it's easier and safer for you to cross. Trading works exactly the same way. You need a spot that gives you an advantage. Can you give one clear reason why this spot or this price is important? Is it at a level where price turned around before? Is it at a support or resistance area? Or is it at a place where buyers or sellers have showed up the last time? If you can't explain why this spot or this price matters, then you're probably trading trading because you're bored or nervous or something else. Usually those are not good reasons to trade. Here's what that sounds like. A bad place is price is moving, so I'm gonna jump in. A good spot is price hit this level 3 times yesterday and bounced every single time. I'm going to watch it and to see if it does it again. See the difference between those two? When you wait for a spot that matters, you have a reason. And when you trade just because the market is moving, you're basically guessing. So place makes you slow down and wait for an edge inside of the market before you enter. So the third and most important check is protection. So before you think about how much money you can make, you need to know these 3 things. The first is where you're wrong. Second, how much you're risking. And third, whether or not that trade makes sense for your account. If you don't know these 3 things, then the trade isn't ready. So think about it like going on a road trip. Before you leave, you check how much gas you have in the car and how far you can go before you need to go to the gas station. You're not planning to run out of gas on the trip, but you know your limit, so you know that you're not stuck on the side of the road trying to rely on strangers in order to help you get some gas. Trading works exactly the same way. So let me say that again. If you don't know where you're getting out of the market, and you don't know where you're wrong, then you're not trading, you're just hoping that it works out. So this is where real confidence comes from. It's not about being right every time you take a trade, but it's about knowing your risk, staying calm, and not staring at every single move, wondering if you should get out. I mean, right now I'm in some trades and I'm filming this video because I know exactly where to get out. And if you follow this, you won't be panicking when price goes against you for just a few seconds because you've already decided what you're okay with losing and you're totally fine with it. And this is what separates the traders who last from the traders who blow up account after account. Now, I've blown up some accounts in the beginning too, so talking to myself. But basically, you want to make sure that you're prepared. And when you're prepared, you can take the trade without fear. Now, I know all of this sounds simple, and it actually is. But simple doesn't mean easy to remember when you're actually in the moment and you're looking at a live chart. And that's why I put together the entire framework into a free guide called the 3P Entry Guide. It's a checklist that helps you stop guessing and start filtering trades with a lot more clarity. You can use it before the market opens up so that way you can plan your day. And you can also use it after the close so that way you can review what you did and figure out what you missed. It's not a strategy, it's a filter. And it also works no matter what you trade, stocks, futures, Forex, crypto, it doesn't matter. So if you want the checklist version of the 3P Entry Guide, you can download it using the link below in the description box. And if this helped, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that way you don't miss any other amazing videos. And remember, you don't need more trades, you need better filters. Now, here's something that might sound familiar to you. So if you've ever entered a trade and then as soon as you got in the trade, the price started to look like it reversed, it's probably not your strategy, it's probably something else. And that's why I want you to watch this video called Why Price Reverses When You Enter. Mainly because I'm going to explain some things that's really going to help you understand why this happens and then also what you can do in order to reduce that happening inside of the market. Go ahead and click on the video. It's somewhere here on the screen and I'll see you there.